Good morning, dear kids. Today we are going to study the new chapter Nandita in Mumbai. So, in this chapter, we will study about Maharashtra state. Maharashtra state lies in the northwest area of the Deccan Plateau. It has very rich soil, that is black soil, which is very good for growing crops like sugarcane, cotton, wheat, rice, maize, bajra, pulses, groundnut, and tobacco. We can see the number of crops like wheat, rice, cotton, pulses, groundnut in all these slides. Many farmers are also engaged in farming. This state is famous for the production of grapes, mangoes, oranges and bananas. As you can see, Tamasha and Lavani is a popular form of folk music and drama in this state. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of Maharashtra state. So, without any further delay, we are going to learn about the learning objectives of this chapter, about Maharashtra state, biggest seaport in India, scarcity of water in Mumbai, high-rise buildings and slum areas in Mumbai, and crowded buses in Mumbai. So, we will all study about all these things in this chapter. So here we are having two types of slides, that is houses in the high buildings and the slum areas. First of all, I am going to tell the features of the houses in the high buildings. As you all can see from the slide, there is separate toilet facility in the high buildings. There is a facility of separate kitchen, availability of water and washrooms. There is availability of water tap and there is availability of glass window. So, in this slide, we are looking the picture of slum areas which are located in Mumbai. The features of these slum areas are common toilet, no kitchen, no water tap, no glass window. So, now let's learn about the important points of Maharashtra. As you can see from the slide, there is a presence of black soil which is extremely good for the growing crops like cotton and maize. Then there is a production of cotton and sugarcane on the high scale due to availability of black soil. The popular dance of Maharashtra is Tamasha and Lavani. Then there is no kitchen in the slum areas. Children, the main languages spoken in this state are Marathi and Gujarati. The people belonging to this state eat wheat, rice, fish and vegetables. Bhel puri and pav bhaji are their favorite dishes. And apart from all this, one thing more, that women in Maharashtra state wear 9-meter long sari in a typical style. The men wear kurta, dhoti and a special turban. One more thing, that the famous Ajanta and Ellora caves are also located in Aurangabad. Mahabaleshwar is a famous hill station which has a beautiful lake. After studying learning objectives and extra knowledge part, my question arises here, why did Nandita has to bring her mother from village to Mumbai? We will discuss this question in the next Zoom class. Thank you my dear students. Till then, bye-bye. See you.